So, Sokka's taking a bird bath here.
She does. Oh, that's so cute. She like dips herself in the water. Oh,
Doing that.
see that?
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, she's snuggling inside her bone.
Keep on being cute.
It feels good to be a